This is how much top earners are making on Upwork. In this video, I'll share with you 6 high-in-demand freelance skills on Upwork that can make you money from the comfort of your home. These jobs pay anywhere from $25 to over $200 per hour. There are top earners making way over $100K per year using these skills on Upwork. Why not you? Upwork has already paid me over $8,000 and easily as a beginner. So let's dive right in. The first, graphic design. Are you creative? This is right for you. Companies hire freelance graphic designers for their logo, branding ID, flyers, brochures, business cards, web layout, creating images for their products that sell on Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. Look, they pay you from $30 per hour to over $230 per hour. Look at this person here. Obviously, there's also more tips to help you earn more money, but stay until the end because I'll talk more about that in a moment. The second one, web design. If you like to create landing pages, websites, web layouts, if you're a web designer, this is right for you. Look, there are so many jobs and so many companies and clients hiring freelancers that don't like to spend time on their web design. I know I hired people on Upwork to help me with my website. I just don't want to spend time on it. I might be able to figure it out, but I want to spend my time on other things, not on this. So I hired people on Upwork to do this for me. Look, these jobs can make from 50 to an easy 150 an hour. Look at this person. She's clearly beginning. She doesn't have a lot of earnings yet, and she's earning 150 an hour. Number 3 is writing. Do you love writing? Oh my gosh. This is the skill that is high in demand and pays really well. Look, writing can be anything from creating content, technical, medical writing, legal, books, blogs, copywriting, content writing, story writing, academic writing, resume writing, essay, ghostwriting. They hire you and pay somewhere from $40 to $300, look, even $350 an hour. It's insane. If you like to write, there's so many options out there for you. Have a look, start making money today. By the way, if you like this so far, then please hit that like button and hit the subscribe because I want to help you make more money easily. Number 4 is translations. Now, do you like languages? Just like me, passionate about languages. I don't have any certification. That's also another thing on Upwork. You don't need to show degrees or certifications. You just have to be good at what you're doing. So I landed a few jobs translating and using my language skills. You can typically earn from 20 to even 230, and look, $210 an hour. You can translate documents, scripts, books, academic documents, websites, videos, so many options out there for you. Number 5 is sales. Now, sales can mean different things, and that's a good thing because meaning different things means there are various ways that you can start making money with your experience in sales. So first of all, let's type in sales. People are selling all the time. So if you love selling and you've been in sales, then use your skills, get paid per hour or per project, and get a commission. You can earn from 10 an hour to 15 an hour. You can sell products and services from others. It could be cold calling, it could be lead generation. All of that includes selling. Now, the second thing is that if you're good in selling, you have experience, you can be a sales coach. Now that's where the rate and the money comes in because you can raise your prices and earn a lot more money. Look at this, $179, $200, $300 per hour. You coach people getting better at selling. And the third thing is, how about writing sales copy? So if you love writing, one of the previous skills I mentioned, and you love selling, then combine those two and you can be a perfect sales copywriter. Now, if you type in there, you see that on average, there's $100 an hour here. And people need you for the landing pages, their copy, their marketing, their sales pages. That's where you come in with your skill. If you like speaking, and I love speaking, there's various ways that you can earn money on Upwork with speaking. So first of all, you can get hired as a speaker. You can present webinars. you can do voiceovers, you can record audio, you can record video. I've done all of these and they earn really well. Look, you can earn up to $200 per hour. But secondly, if you're good at speaking and you have experience in speaking, you can become a speaker's coach. And that's exactly what happened to me. After doing my 2 TEDx talks, people started asking me about, how to create their talk and how to script it and how to present and how to behave. And I started doing more of that, more coaching for other speakers. And so not only TEDx speakers, but other speakers. So now I coach people with their script, with their structure, with the behavior, with their posture, and that earns great money. Look, you can earn from $100 easily up to $300 per hour. So there you have it, the 6 top high in demand skills that you can start making a lot of money. Now make sure that you don't miss the tips that I have for you to earn even more money easily in my next video. I'll see you there.